Yep. So it's a vibe, man. One of the things that I really enjoy about the show is that it brings like families. It's obviously well organized. You got big companies, you know, here showing support. So it's one of my favorite events for sure. If you're, and I've said it, and I know people come from all over the place. If you ever get a chance to come to Long Beach Japanese Classic Car Show, it's definitely something that you need to experience. The quality of cars is insane because they do their vetting. They make sure that they look at the cars. People are excited to be here. People keep it very, very, very safe. So what's not to like, you know? You get super clean cars, beautiful weather. Downtown Long Beach is practically here, so you guys can go and check out different food. Obviously there's vendors. It's just a great vibe, I think, in my humble opinion. Ooh, look at this. Beautiful. So
your attention please to the main stage. We have a very special guest of honor with us today, Mr. Larry Chen.
Hello, good morning.
Happy 20th anniversary.
Yeah, this is incredible. I'm so happy.
Hopefully you guys can hear what Larry Chen is saying.
This is one of those events for me that I just cannot miss, period. This is permanently on my schedule. I have to be in Los Angeles this weekend. You know, I love traveling all over the world, every single weekend, different country, but JCCS is like our home. It's our home event, and this one, I was super happy to bring 3 cars.
So, Larry, I do want to kind of corner you because you've seen this scene throughout the world. We got to witness that recently and watched your travels. Hong Kong, I mean, different places that we don't see as many vehicles came out when you did some of the video work you did recently.
Yeah, I've been covering a lot of car culture in Southeast Asia, in Asia, in Europe, pretty much everywhere. I just came back from Brunei. The love for JDM car culture there is so strong.
What's Brunei?
And of course, is that they just have supercars. They actually have more JDM cars.
Oh my God, that's insane.
To Japan, and also it's a right-hand drive country.
Okay, fair enough. So more. Is it kind of like? Is it similar to what we have here?
I have to say, you know, I've traveled really to so many places. I've been focusing a lot on Malaysia, Thailand, Indonesia, just that region, because I feel like a lot of Western media.
I stayed quiet because I was close to the speaker and I was hoping you guys would hear what Larry was saying, but I don't think my mic might be picking it up anymore, so I'll back to my mumbling. The 240s, 280Zs, obviously legendary cars, beautiful cars. Oh, that's a sick setup right there. He has 2 GoPros. That's cool. Huh. That's a cool setup, man. 2 GoPros? That's dope, man. That's awesome. 2 setups. Keep your eyes open everywhere. So, I think they used to put 3 or 4 or 5 cars max of the same model. I think they went away from that. Now we see way more cars. At least I see more Datsuns. The last couple years they had like, I don't remember, but it wasn't that many. Right now I feel like there's a lot of them. And I get it. It's kind of hard to know exactly which cars can go in and cannot, especially now they moved the year to 95, I think. That's considered classic. So as far as I know, I think maybe, yeah, I think it's 95 because that's why my buddies with their courts were able to roll in. But at the end of the day, it's like there's so many cars that get, you know, that submit their pictures that will not be able to make it because the quality of cars is just through the roof, you know. Oh, look at this, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. What a vibe, man.
And it was fast.
So many things to see, so many things to watch. This green, Irish green is so beautiful. The tan, look at that. Wow,
it's
beautiful.
as crazy, and we finished.
Look at this. One of my favorite things is the covers for the headlights. I love it. Love the head covers.
Today's a huge
Man,
celebration. It is a
beautiful.
milestone because it's our 20th. We also have
So yeah, congratulations to JCCS, man. 20 years in the making. That's crazy, man. That takes a lot of headaches, a lot of stressors, a lot of logistics, a lot of coordination, and that's awesome, man. 20 years of JCCS. Thank you guys for making the space for us, people like myself that doesn't know anything about cars, to come and enjoy and vibe out and just be part of the culture, man. So I'll stay quiet so you guys can hear what Larry's saying. I'm next to a speaker again.
20 years of photography, 5 million pictures I've shot, down into a book that is about 400 pages. I'm so stoked to show everybody this project that just kind of outlines my life's work up until this point.
I want to have that book on my coffee table.
That can happen.
Okay, I better head over there quick because I have a feeling that there's a line waiting for you and it's probably going to get sold out pretty quick.
I appreciate JCCS. I appreciate Terry, the team. It's amazing to be able to come here every single year, and honestly, for me, it's kind of like a reunion of this
right.
community.
Yeah, I think today's a special event because I feel like I've seen guys that haven't been here in a while, and now they're back, you know, and of course there's people who come every year, and then there's people here for the first time. So it's really great experience. One thing about your career, you've turned somewhat into a household name now. Did you ever expect this would happen, Larry?
No, I'm so introverted. I'm meant to be behind the camera. You know, that's why I picked up photography in the first place. I'm the one taking the pictures. I don't want to be in front of the camera. But because of how the media landscape has evolved, because of YouTube, and because I'm able to tell the story a different way,
it's beautiful.
that's just what I have to do. I have to be in front of camera, and I've evolved to do that and tell the story about the culture we love. I mean, I don't know if you had a chance to see, but recently we had a chance to go to Japan, to Watanabe, to watch this 65-year-old process of them making these wheels. Who else is going to do that? I figured, you know, there's no more car magazines anymore. I have to take my responsibility and do my part to promote the culture that we love.
So that's kind of been your calling, if I may call it that. Because I feel like you have gone to the shops, the manufacturers, you started with them and basically told their story. And it was kind of like a relationship that reciprocated, right? It needed to be told, and you were the one that basically did it. So, and you continue to do so. The 7-Eleven meet was amazing.
Yeah, 7-Eleven is something that is so natural, as you know, and honestly, as everybody here at JCCS knows, 7-Eleven is such a staple in the car culture community in Asia, in Japan, right? It's the place to rest, it's a place to gather, it's a place to get snacks, but it wasn't that way here. 7-Eleven is completely different here in the US. It's interesting because it's evolved also. Car culture chose 7-Eleven here. They didn't choose to promote cars. It was the other way around. And then what they did was they embraced it. And they reached out to me and they're like, hey, what can we do with the community? We're holding meets now. We have a national TV ad now that...
Larry, you're making 7-Eleven cool.
I'm trying.
Go out and get 7-Eleven stock.
Well, it is inherently cool. They just embraced it, and I'm just doing that little more, just giving it a little push to take it over the edge.
Yeah, you have the golden touch, and of course you have an event coming up on the 16th ahead of Formula D. And who tells about that?
Yeah, that's next week, Thursday. It's across the street, actually. So downtown Long Beach, 400 Seaside Way, which is the convention center parking lot. It has 800 parking spaces, and I want to fill every single one of those spaces with the coolest cars. And the best part is, it's free, and it's always going to be free, and I just want to do it so it exists, because it's going to be something beautiful. It's going to be something that is, I guess, inspired by a lot of the underground Japanese meets that we see, but we're partnering up with the City of Long Beach to make that happen, which is so crazy that they embrace car culture so much. I mean, you know, they have the Long Beach Grand Prix, they have Formula Drift now twice. Long Beach loves cars. So in April, we had a chance to do a meet at Queen Mary. 1,750 cars showed up. Believe it or not. So many people showed up. The city was like, oh my God, I cannot believe how many people came to see our wonderful city. Let's do it again, and let's do it in a grand fashion.
Right, and Larry, you're kind of really our champion, the people's champion for all the good that needs to be told and expressed within the car community, because we face so many new challenges with, you know.
All right, the mic can't pick up their conversation anymore. But it gave me a break to stay quiet, and also I was listening. Yeah, Long Beach does love cars, man. They have such cool events here, and I'm so glad that Long Beach continues to do that. Hopefully, we continue to be respectful of the city, so that way we can maintain good things and nice things. You know, it's just so difficult. Sometimes we take it for granted, and so the takeover kids, and I call it kids because it takes it's not about an age thing, it's more of a maturity for me. Oh my God, it's beautiful. And to me, it's just immature to be doing burnouts and to do your whole two-stepping thing in a public setting where it's not, that's not the expectation, that's not the norm. Now, if you go to a place where that's the expectation, that's the norm, and that's what people want, that's completely different. You're not gonna have an issue, but a place like this, clearly no one's doing that, and there's a reason why, and we wanna maintain it like that and wanna keep it like that. So, well, thank you everyone. I think I'm gonna, man, I've been walking around for at least 2 hours now. What a great turnout, what a great experience. I'm gonna be taking some more pictures, and then after that, you know, we're gonna call it 20 years of Japanese classic car show. I can't wait to be 54 and have 20 more years, so it'll be 40 years. For now, we'll continue to show some love to everybody until they ask us not to. And just want to say thank you, man. Thank you to everybody who said hi, and to everybody that I had a conversation with. The love does not go unnoticed nor appreciated. Peace out, everyone. And I'll go ahead and finish my coverage. I lied. I'll finish my coverage with this one. Beautiful wheels, spoon, everything. I was gonna take a picture of it from the front, and my battery died for my camera, so that tells me it's a good was a good event. I recognize this car, if I'm not mistaken. This is under a new ownership now, and there's been some changes done to the car. Let me see. So yeah, super cool, man. Super nice changes. It looks really nice, perfect stance on it. So yeah, man, what a beautiful thing, what a beautiful car. Well, I feel like Forrest Gump. I'm kind of tired now. Yeah, I'm just gonna go home. It's around 9:30, 10. So let's go buy something to drink. By the way, if you, for whatever reason, are insane enough to stick around through the whole entire video, and I'm not saying you paid attention to the whole thing, but you had it in the background or whatever the case may be, I just want to say thank you. I don't know, there's nothing I can say, man. To be able to showcase cars and be at an event, that's, I don't know, man, that's what I consider fun, I guess. But now it's time to go hang out with the fam. This was my morning, this was for me, and now it's time to go and hang out, and yeah, catch you guys in the next one. If I didn't show your car, don't take it personal. There's just so many things to see. Just so many things to see, so many places to be. It's crazy. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace out, fam.